So are you aware of the slider lifter calculations?
Okay. Undercut plus distance will be slider stroke value.
What minimum?
Minimum gap condition required plus length of the undercut will be the stroke of the uh, total value of the stroke.
So if I draw a diagram, like X is the undercut, okay,
Okay.
and X distance, if it is traveled, the slider is traveled X distance. Now it will make 0, 0 with the ending phase, right?
Yes.
So if there is gap condition is like say zero point 0.5, so
Uh,
if we remove zero point 0.5, the slider will be cleared from the part.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you exactly.
See, now X is the undercut distance, okay.
Okay.
So undercut distance is the distance from inside to outside. So you imagine a doghouse, okay.
Okay.
So when you put a section to a doghouse, now from the innermost part to the outermost part, the X distance that is called as the undercut, right?
Yes. Yes.
So if you move the slider exactly by that undercut,
Uh,
X mm behind,
yes.
so now the innermost edge will come and match the outermost edge, right?
Yes.
The innermost edge of the slider will be matching the outermost edge of the doghouse, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
Now, if there is zero point 0.5 mm clearance, what you say, I took more zero point 0.5 mm outside, so there is already a 7-degree draft, right, for that
Yes.
shut off.
Yes.
So, don't you think if I remove it in the vertical direction, it will be clashing with the wall of the doghouse?
Yes, sir. It will clash.
Yeah. So then, how much distance we should take behind?
That point 0.5 extra.
No. Basic calculation is 2x. You need to if the undercut is x, you need to take the slider 2x behind
Okay.
plus the block size. Block size is nearly 35 to 50 mm. So this is what the technical knowledge is. Okay, you can imagine, right?
Yeah.
So it isn't that way. So basically, when you see the travel is 2x, right?
Travel. Yes, sir. Travel will be 2x. Yes.
That is the calculation. So when you come the travel when you travel x distance, yeah, actual travel is 2x. So 2x plus that. So when you say x plus zero point 0.5, you are moving only zero point 0.5. So it will be going to clash in the rate, right? Yeah. So when you are sweeping x there x mm behind, you are actually traveling 2x mm. Yeah, because the undercut is x. You completely came out of the undercut. Now, if you see the travel is from first to end point, right? From inside of the doghouse to the end of the lifter or slider, it is 2x, right? Just a minute, I'll draw you and show. I think you're not getting it. Just a minute, give me a time.
Yes, sir. I can see that. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the undercut, right? X. And this is the slider. So when your slider moves x direction, x distance, actual travel from here to here is 2x, right? Because this is also x. Yeah. You can see this now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So slider block is also x,
Yeah.
undercut is also x. So travel is 2x, right?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So when you are traveling 2x, this edge is going to hit it when it comes up, right?
Yes.
This is the technical knowledge that I expect from an engineer, like
Okay.
who is at least 3 to 4 years of experience, that this block should be moved more. So it is around 35 mm to 40 mm or 50 mm. Okay. So formula becomes 2x plus 35.
Okay.
Okay. So do you know what is this? This area?
That is avoided to used to avoid extra over thickness in that area.
What is it called?
No, sir, I'm not aware of that.
It is called coring out, right?
Okay, okay, I have heard about it. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is called as coring. So, can you tell me what is this thickness? If I tell you this is 2.5 mm thick, okay.
Okay.
So, can you tell me this thickness and this thickness, the coring thickness and this thickness?
Usually we try to maintain the same thickness in doghouse, and pouring out area it will be maybe 1.5.
Why 1.5? How you came on that value?
I have seen that. I don't know the technical background of that, but I have seen somewhere like
So,
because of,
basically, it is dependent on the material, okay.
okay,
So, according to material, the values is divided for that. It is zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.4
okay,
of the material thickness, okay. So yes, this is all the technical things that you should know to get.
okay,
Like, see, CAD engineers, what like if I will now basically this is if this is 2.5, this is 1 mm. So I can tell an engineer keep coring of 1 mm, keep the height. So basically, do you know what height it is at? What is this height? This distance?
no, sir.
So it is 3 mm. Okay.
Okay,
So I can tell a CAD engineer that I need 3 mm of coring of 1 mm. So he will do it for me, right? 1 year or
yeah.
2 year guy. So what I can so what you can contribute to the team or what is your value addition to the team? See, I'll tell you what I expect from you is if at all, like see, now feel this is a door cladding. Okay. See here. This is a door cladding.
Okay,
Now basically what I expect from you is when I give you, I will tell you that this is the main tool direction. Okay, this one. And I want to fix it in these four places. You fix it and something in the middle. So first of all, I would expect you to give me an fixation strategy for this.
okay,
If you are not able to give, then I will tell you what basically you can done like a two-way locator over here, two-way locator over here, one four-way locator over here, and screw fixation at 60 mm. You can use like the Christmas clips over here, and I need one doghouse with a locator over here and a doghouse with a locator over here so that it will be diagonally constrained. So if I just tell you this much also, you should be able to do this design. I need not tell you these things. Okay.
okay, okay,
So these at least I expect this from you. At least basically this concept I expect you to tell me what we can do and I should rectify it basically.
okay,
As a product manager, I will rectify if there is basically I should not need to because anyone is going to prefer the least headache for himself, right?
yeah,
At least when he is having a team to do the work. So his part should be to guide. Okay. So what I will expect is you come up with a concept correct in the first place when you
okay,
start. And if you don't, I am there to guide you. That is not an issue. I will tell that no, please don't put this. You think you say you came up with an idea that a doghouse over here and a doghouse over here. We will have a this longitudinal thing. So then I'll ask you, what about the stability in the upper region? So I will tell you just move this doghouse to here so that we get a diagonal stability and the whole part is constrained. Did you get my point?
yeah,
So this what improvements I can do. But I need not to tell you this how much I need 3 mm of height, 1 mm of coring, and 2.5 mm of thickness of the part, so you can keep the doghouse 2.2 mm, doghouse wall thickness you can keep 2.2 mm. This will be a added headache for me. Okay,
Okay.
did you get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So for me for me to hire you, I 100% need this, and 80% need this knowledge for
Okay.
your experience level.
Okay.
Do you know how the material selection is done?
No, sir. No, I'm not aware of these things.
Yeah, so basically, when you are designing, like I told you, the thickness and the wall to rib ratio, all those things are decided on the wall thickness, right?
Yeah.
And the material properties. So if you don't know the material, you cannot start the design, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so material selection process is the must that you should know. What
Okay.
kind of materials are there? Like PP, it is having 0.4% of shrinkage. So
Yes.
you should know how the shrinkage works. It is going to help you in gain the perspective of what kind of design it is going to be. Okay, what
Okay.
kind of warpage you need to control. So you know any plastic defects?
Yeah. Sync mark, wrap page, plus uh, burn marks, jolting.
Okay. So do you know the reasons and how the remedies are taken?
For sync mark, we'll try to maintain the overall thickness as common. We'll try to avoid uh, uneven thickness. Then maintain cooling temperature should be monitored. It should be common. Then for short,
Yes. Yes. Just a question. See here you can see the thickness is 2.5
yeah,
here, and this thickness which you said 1.5 is actually 1 mm. Okay, this one. So this is 2.5, this is 1. This is uneven, right?
yes,
So you said you should have even thickness. So
yes,
why is it done 1 mm? Yeah, there are many basics. This is basically I'm not trying to teach you anything, so don't get me wrong. What I'm trying to tell is uniform thickness with a thick rib to wall ratio. This is a rib to the wall. This is the main wall, right? This is a rib.
yes, yes,
So that is also to be maintained. So when there is a spear over here, the spear should touch all the radiuses, and this should be minimum 40% of the wall thickness. So this is the basic idea behind it. Okay. So these are the things that you should know to answer in a interview. Okay. Yeah. So basically, I think this is what you were expecting, right, from the
yes,
session. What kind of
yes, yes,
uh, upgradation you need, and what kind of uh, basically what is the direction of the knowledge in which you should run for, right?
yes, sir.
So anything more do you want to know and about, like, uh, what kind of means basically to get new opportunities in this field, you should have this technical knowledge according to your experience level right now. Okay.
Yes,